Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay and these are my hands. And in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the FabFitFun box from fall 2023 or autumn if you're in the UK. Now FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service from the US. It's a lifestyle subscription service, so that means that you can get beauty products in here, you could get health and fitness products in here, and you could also get some homeware items in here, such as plates, glasses, cups, that kind of thing. All the prices I'm going to be talking about today are going to be in US dollars, but I will try as much as possible to pop the UK conversion on the screen for you so that you can see what that looks like. But as I said, this box is a seasonal subscription, so that means you get 4 a year, one for spring, summer, autumn and winter. The box costs $59.99 if you're a seasonal subscriber, which means you pay each season for the box, or it costs $219.99 per year if you want to be an annual member, which means you pay for the whole year. And that means you get a little bit of a discount for the box, and you'll get all 4 for the year. This box is a little bit different to other subscription boxes in that it is customizable, meaning that you can choose what items you get in this box, but it does depend on your membership as to how many items you are allowed to choose. If you're a seasonal subscriber, you'll get to choose I think about 3 or 4, and if you're an annual subscriber, so you've paid for the whole year, you get to choose everything if you want to. Now I am an annual member, so I have paid for the year for this box, and I have picked all of the items in this box. Now I will say I am really late filming and posting this video. In fact, the winter box options go live soon as I'm filming this, so this is a little bit out of date at this point, but I just thought maybe some of you would still be interested in this box, in what I got for my fall box, and yeah, let's just get into it. So each item in this box does have customization options, which means there are multiple items that you can choose from, and there are 6 of those in total. Within each of those customizations, you do sometimes have the option to choose what you call an add-on. So if there's more than one item that you like in a customization option, you can add on a second item, and that will be at a dramatically reduced price as well. So there are some opportunities to get some really good deals in this box, and I'm going to show you in a little while that I did do that for 2 of the options. I can't remember which 2, but I have chosen 2 add-on items for this box. First product I'm going to talk about, however, is something that I haven't chosen, and this is just a freebie. This was just sitting in the top of the box. It's not something I've chosen, it's just something they've thrown in there, and it's a little sample packet of Ricola Throat Balm Sweets. Caramel flavour with a liquid centre. I'm sure that's going to come in handy over the next few months while it's cold and flu season. So yeah, handy to have, and that's that. Next up we've got these sweater socks from Pudus Lifestyle Co. And these are really long, and normally I wouldn't do really long socks. These are like knee-high socks, but they just looked really cozy, and they are really soft. The material is 99% polyester and 1% spandex. Machine washable, which is always good, and although I probably won't wear these as like normal socks, these will definitely be worn around the house when I'm feeling a little chilly. So yeah, really keen to get these out of the packaging now that I'm filming this video, and give them a try. Now this is something that I'm really excited about. I love a good coffee scrub, and this is a cacao coffee scrub. It's from the brand Frank Body. I've had a few things from Frank Body before. They've been alright, they've been quite nice. As I said, I do love a coffee scrub. I love chocolate, mixing the two together. Really keen to give this a go. I think this is going to smell amazing in the shower, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to exfoliating my skin with this. Just a few instructions on the back there on how to use it. I'm pretty sure most people know how to use a coffee scrub at this point. But yeah, one thing I will say is if you're not familiar with something like this, is it's going to be messy. It is going to get everywhere, but if you don't mind that, you don't mind a little bit of cleanup afterwards, I really like things like this, so I'm definitely happy that this was an option. Something else I was really excited for was this from Cover FX. This is the Custom Enhancer palette. I've had a few things from Cover FX and I've quite enjoyed them. Not everything, but you know, you can't love everything, can you? But this just looks really, really pretty and I'm struggling to get into it. I might have to rip the box. Yes, I did have to rip the box a little bit to get into that. That is the packaging. And opens this way. Oop. And there we go. That's what that looks like. Let's just take that off. And yeah, it looks really, really pretty. Looks a little bit sparkly though, so I'm a little bit worried. I don't like tons of glitter on my face, so I'm interested to give this a try. Let's just have a little bit of a swatch and this one. So we've got, oops, one, and I think, no, that was the end one. I did this completely the wrong way around. It's fine. So we've got first shade, third shade and second shade on my hand here because I slightly messed up the way I did that. That has swatched a little bit chunky, but I think if you're using a brush that won't be as bad. But yeah, it's very foiled. We'll give that a try. We'll see how we get on with that. It does look very pretty, aside from the chunks, obviously. But I think if my swatching skills were a little bit better, maybe that wouldn't be so bad. It is actually patting in a lot better now. Look at that. That's a little bit better, isn't it? But yeah, that's that. I think I'm probably going to get more use out of this one than I am anything else, but this pink does look really, really pretty. I'm not sure how much use I would get out of this one, but we'll see. Next we've got this from Glow Recipe, and this is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I love hyaluronic acid. My skin responds really, really well to it. I enjoy using it. So I saw this was available. I've tried a few Glow Recipe products, and again, I've quite enjoyed most of what I've tried. I love this little bottle. How cute is that? Sort of in the shape of a plum. That's awesome. So yeah, really keen to give this a try. I'm not going to open it right now because I do have a few serums to go through before I get to this. But yeah, really keen to get to this eventually. Next up we've got a candle, and this is from the brand Free People. It's the Lodge candle with Palo Santo and patchouli. Not sure what Palo Santo is, but hey ho. I love candles. I love using candles quite a lot, so I saw this was an option and just thought, you know what, why not give it a try. Definitely looks very autumnal in that brown glass there. Let's give it a smell. And yeah, it smells alright. I think it's something that I'm going to enjoy using. So yeah, keen to give this a try. And then the last thing that I chose as an original product before we get into my add-ons are these wine glasses from Our Place. These are tinted wine glasses, a set of 2 of them, and I cannot remember what colour these were going to be, but I do believe they were sort of an ombre colour, if I'm not mistaken. Watch me open them up now and be totally wrong. Yep, a little bit wrong, not ombre at all, but they are this lovely sort of pink colour. They do have the Our Place branding on the base there. The stem is a little bit thin, feels a little bit delicate, so that does make me a little bit nervous, because one of the reasons that I decided to get these glasses is because we are constantly breaking glasses in our house, so glasses are always useful. But yeah, how long these will last in my house I could not tell you, but while they're here they are quite pretty. So yep, pleased with those. And then we're on to the items that I chose as add-ons. So these are items that were part of a customisation option that I decided I wanted, as well as one of the other items. And the first thing we've got here are these Lujo bars. So it's 4 eucalyptus shower steamers. I've had something like this before and I really quite enjoyed them. They just sort of melt as you're having a shower and releases the aroma. And I love eucalyptus, and I think, again, cold and flu season coming up, these might be quite useful. So I think that's why I wanted these. Yeah. Open, soothe, release, and it just says here on the directions, activate steamer with water, place at base of shower floor or in soap dish away from direct steam, make your shower nice and steamy for best results. So yeah, sounds good, and yeah, looking forward to giving these a go. And then we've got this from Summer Fridays. This is the Lip Butter Balm. Does it have a shade? I feel like it should have a shade, but it doesn't tell me. Maybe if I open it, it will. I have had to just rip the box there a little bit. I am not great with nails, and I'm also an idiot because it says right here that it is vanilla beige, exactly the same as it does on the tube. So this is what the tube looks like, and I'm not going to open this right away. I do have a few lip balm things going on, so I kind of want to save this for a little bit later. I don't want all of my balms open and going off all at the same time. I think the colour of this looks quite nice. I think it's going to be quite sheer, so hopefully it's not going to be a full-on block of colour with it being a balm. But even if it is, I don't think I'm going to mind that too much. It looks like it's going to be a nice colour for me, so keen to give this a try. So that is all of the items that I chose for my full FabFitFun box. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you get this box? What items did you pick if you did? Is there anything in here that you would like to try? Maybe you've tried it and you want to give me some hints on and tips on how to use it. I think my favourite products are the Glow Recipe serum and probably the socks, to be honest, which is probably quite sad, but there you go. I like to be cozy. I'm going to pop on the screen now the total value of the box, first of all without the add-on items, which was the steamer bars and the lip balm here, and then I'll pop on the total value of everything all together so you can see what that looks like. And if you've enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button before you leave, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all again in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.